welcome onto the program Mr. Venkaiah Naidu, the Minister for Urban Development, the man in whose hand really taking the Swachh India campaign is. And I am very, very proud, Venkaiah Naidu ji, to announce that we are now going to be partnering with you, partnering with the Ministry of Urban Development, and we are pledging whatever we can to help you take this forward. And we are, all the volunteers and the people who are going to be coming forward, we will be working with you and seeing how they can actually be deployed. Thank you so much, Venkaiah Naidu, for joining us. Amitabh Bachchan, Nitish Kapoor, Dr. Samanta here with us.
Thank you, Vikram Chandra, for giving me this opportunity. And I'm very happy that the NDTV has joined together to partner with the Urban Development Ministry to take this scheme forward.
Right. What is it, sir, that you would like us to do? So let's also try and discuss, because we're going to try and set the agenda as we go forward. What is it that you would like us to do? And more importantly, we are appealing to people all across the country to come forward and donate their time and to do whatever they can. What would you appeal to our fellow countrymen to do?
First of all, I would like the electronic media and also print media to focus on this very important issue, then highlight the need for hygienity and appeal to the people to join this movement in a big way. When the Prime Minister launched this scheme on October 2nd, he told me, Venkaiah ji, don't try to make it a government program or a political program. इसको एक जन आंदोलन का रूप देना चाहिए, ऐसा उन्होंने मुझे बताया है. We can only make it a people's movement by involving all. Reaching out the people one is through media, and secondly, if we also involve icons, like I'm very happy that Sri Amitabh Bachchan, the darling of the people of India, particularly the youngsters, he has taken up this program to his heart, and many icons from film industry, business, industry, academic background, and also from various walks of life, sports, they all join together and they are giving momentum to this program. I would appeal to all the people in the country. It's a people's problem. It's a national problem. We should all join together, devote enough time, and then take up this program on regular basis. My only appeal to all, one and all, including students, to take up this program, create awareness among the society, and participate in their own way, in whatever manner they can, and devote some time in their daily life for this program.
So, Naidu ji, I'm very pleased to tell you, Amit
the Honorable Prime Minister made an appeal for...
Yeah, Amitabh Bachchan ji has just pledged 50 hours of his own personal time this year to personally do whatever he can for Swachhata. Amit ji.
Yeah, Honorable Sir, this is Amitabh here, and thank you so much for being on our program and being a sort of incentive towards this very, very noble cause. We have pledged, as Vikram has just said, a certain number of hours in a year that we will work towards this clean drive. And I just feel that apart from individual interests that we are all taking, we realize that the government is very serious about this issue. What are any other ways that you feel that the government can direct us as to what we can do individually or collectively towards this campaign? Anything specific?
Yeah, Namaskar, Amitabh ji, I'm very happy that you have taken it to your heart and devoting considerable time. I'm happy to hear that you are spending 50 hours in a year. That's really great. What we want from the people is, and people like you, is reaching out the masses. Because India is huge. We have 120 crore population. We have 6.5 lakh villages, major villages, 4,041 towns. So reaching out all of them and creating awareness, it's not easy for the government alone. Recently, when Bill Gates met me, he told me, more than money, minister, it is the mindset that has to be changed. And icons like you, if you make an appeal or if you reach out to the people, it will have greater impact. That's where I want important personalities of the country to devote their time and reach out to different parts of the country through the media, through electronic media, and also through interactions, and motivate the people against open defecation, about maintaining cleanliness in their personal life and also in public life.
Mr. Naidu, we've done a lot of this individually. We have recorded moments when we have gone out and taken part in cleanliness programs. But if there is any distinct campaign that the government is willing to design, I am more than willing to be a part of it, because the only way of communicating, as Vikram, you will know, is through the medium of the electronic media, through press. And if there's any such campaign that you wish to design, I'll be more than happy to be a part of it, to spread the word around, and that'll be a great honor and a privilege for me.
Right. Thank you so much, Amit ji, for that commitment.
Thank you, Amitabh ji, for your offer. The government will definitely consider your suggestion and take your help, and also the help of many other icons who are coming forward to join this movement. We would like you all to act as the Swachh Bharat ambassadors. That is the wish of the Prime Minister.
Yes, right. Venkaiah ji, of course, one of the big things is children. And when children come out and start to make a change, Amit ji, you'll be interested to know, हमारे जब मैं यहाँ आ रहा था, हमारे जो ड्राइवर थे, संजय जो गाड़ी चला रहे थे, वो कह रहे थे कि अगर बच्चों को आप किसी तरह प्रोत्साहित करें, अगर बच्चों को आप शिक्षा दें, अगर आधा घंटा हर हफ्ते बच्चों को क्लास में पढ़ाया जाए और बताया जाए कि आपको स्वच्छता के लिए कुछ करना चाहिए, तो उससे बहुत बड़ा असर पड़ेगा. So, Dr. Samantha and Venkaiah ji, there are 25,000 children who are gathered, and later in the day, Dr. Samantha, they are going to be working to clean up the area. अगर आप उनसे हमारी बात कराएं, अगर जो भी बच्चे हैं वहाँ.
Hello.
Yeah. Tazeen, can you...
पिलामाने एठी अमिताभ बच्चन जी अछंती स्टूडियो रे तांको पई जोरे गोटा करताली दिया बिग क्लैपिंग फॉर अमिताभ बच्चन जी.
Thank you.
पिलामाने कुआ लॉन्ग लिव अमिताभ बच्चन जी.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. बहुत धन्यवाद आपका सर.
डॉक्टर समंता, आप अगर उनके अमित जी, अगर आप कुछ कहेंगे उनको.
मैं सबसे पहले तो आप सब लोगों को बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूँ. इतना सुंदर लग रहा है किस तरह से आप लोगों ने जुड़ करके ये बनेगा स्वच्छ इंडिया, ये एक एम्बलम बनाया है. और इसी तरह जुड़ करके अगर आप देश के लिए काम करेंगे, सफाई के लिए काम करेंगे, तो निश्चित रूप से हमारा देश जो है वो स्वच्छ हो जाएगा. और मेरा ऐसा मानना है, विक्रम पता नहीं ये सत्य है कि नहीं, कि 4 और 6 साल की उम्र में बच्चा जो है वो बहुत रिसेप्टिव होता है, उसका दिमाग. उन वर्षों में यदि किसी बच्चे को जो भी सिखाया जाए या जो भी बताया जाए, वो उसे सारी ज़िंदगी याद रहता है. तो इस उम्र के बच्चों से ही हमें उनको बताना शुरू करना पड़ेगा कि स्वच्छता के बारे में और किस तरह से देश के लिए ये सुविधाजनक हो सकता है.
डॉक्टर समंता, अगर आप उनको अगर वो हिंदी पूरी तरह नहीं समझ पाए तो आप थोड़ा उनको बता दें.
भैया हमें बता दीजिए.
वो लोग हिंदी समझ पा रहे. पिलामाने अमिताभ बच्चन जी कौन कहले बुझी पाला ना नहीं. तमे मैंने तांकू किछि खबर कुआ. वो लोग सर मैसेज दिए हैं जो कितना घंटा स्वच्छ भारत के लिए डिवोट करेंगे. तो मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, आप आज्ञा दे तो.
जरूर.
हम लेख के वो लोग एनडीटीवी में कल दे दिए हैं. ये बच्चे सप्ताह में जो संडे आता है, महीने में 2 संडे 4 घंटा करके सफाई करेंगे भुवनेश्वर सिटी में एक जगह. सो साल में 10 महीने में वो लोग 20 लाख घंटा स्वच्छ भारत के लिए दे रहे हैं. वो लोग प्लेज किए हैं 20 लाख आवर्स.
20 लाख
या 20 लाख आवर्स. 25,000 बच्चे 4 घंटा 1 संडे, दैट इज 1 लाख. महीने में आ रहा है 2 लाख. 10 महीना, 2 महीना छुट्टी होता है. 10 महीना में 20 लाख घंटा दे विल कंट्रीब्यूट फॉर स्वच्छ भारत in this 2016. They have given this place to NDTV yesterday. They have mailed it.
Wow.
sorry, I'm in a state of shock because अभी अब से कुछ ही देर पहले हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि पूरे साल के लिए 5 लाख रुपए पूरे दिन में हमें किसी तरह इकट्ठा करने हैं और आपने I'm sorry, I'm losing my words right now. 20 लाख तो यही हो गए। अमित जी आप कुछ कहेंगे?
ये तो अद्भुत है। हम लोग तो 50 घंटे हमारे जो है ऐसा लग रहा है चुटकी भर काम हो गया। तो अब हमको तो और काम करना पड़ेगा।
सर 25,000 बच्चे जो है आदिवासी बच्चे हैं, दे आर सो डेडिकेटेड एंड दे आर सो नाइस। वो लोग अपने तरफ से प्लेज किए हैं जे हर संडे में 4 घंटा करके महीने में 2 संडे में देंगे 8 घंटा, तो 25,000 बच्चे 2 लाख हो जा रहा है। 10 महीने में वो लोग 20 लाख घंटा देंगे स्वच्छ भारत।
जी, मैं तो ये सुन करके केवल जितने बाकी लोग हमारे दर्शक इस कार्यक्रम को देख रहे हैं और ख़ास तौर से जितने बच्चे देख रहे हैं वो ये उदाहरण लेकर के वो भी कुछ प्लेज कर दें तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा।
हाँ, but अमित जी, I think a standing ovation for
Oh,
this
yes,
children, हम
absolutely.
सबकी तरफ से
Yeah.
से आपको सबको हमारी तरफ से ताली है।
अमित जी स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन पिलामाने दउचंती। जोरे हाथ हलाई दियो, जोरे हाथ हलाओ।
This is such a wonderful example. Wonderful.
It's just such a wonderful example. Those children are really an inspiration for all. Venkaiah Naidu ji, I'm not quite sure what to say right now because we were hoping this entire day during the cleanathon to get pledges of 5 lakh hours which we can put towards cleaning up the country, and just this particular institute and those children we saw have pledged 20 lakh hours. And if other people can take some inspiration from this, it shows, Mr. Naidu, how we can clean up the country.
Vikram Chandra, this is really great because the Prime Minister also suggested that everyone should give at least 2 hours a week. And children is the first medium to reach out because if there is an impact on their mind at this young age, it will continue throughout their life. And they will also impact and influence the family members also. My granddaughter was telling me in her school, if somebody takes the chocolate and then try to eat it and drop the cover of the chocolate, then the next girl will tell her, no, hey, Swachh Bharat, Modi. So that's a powerful communication. The Prime Minister reached out to the nation. Even the children are now influenced and they are taking part in the Swachh Bharat in a big way. And what you are saying now, 25,000 children taking this pledge and committing certain hours of their life, this will catch up the momentum in the country. Hats off to these young children. They have set example to others. I hope that everybody across the country, whoever is watching the show with Amitabh Ji in NDTV, if everyone takes up this program, this will really catch up. I am very happy about the same.
I have to say, Amit Ji, the Kalinga Institute has shown the path. And
Absolutely.
Dr. Samanta, many congratulations to you and to the children. Please give them our regard and tell them that I think we would like to come and meet them and personally thank them and congratulate them and compliment them.
पिलामाने हमारा हमें अनुरोध कर, we request great Amitabh Bachchan ji come personally and bless these 25,000 children and see how the entire campus is so clean. In spite of 25,000 children are taking their food, shelter, education, everything in one place.
Yeah, this really well said.
All right, Dr. Samanta, thank you so much. I have to say that those children have blown us away and left us wondering, अब बाकी 11 घंटे सर हम लोग क्या करेंगे? हाँ, Venkaiah ji, sorry, you were saying something.
Yeah, convey my congratulations also to Samantha and to the children. God bless them
Right.
for taking up this noble cause.
Thank you, sir.